welcome back to Codecraft. Today we are settling the biggest debate in the programming, that is Python versus JavaScript. Which one should you learn first? By the end of this video, you will have your answer. So let's dive in. Okay, so first of all, raise your hand if you have ever googled Python versus JavaScript. Yep, we all have been there. Okay, but we can't say that any language is best for anyone. Okay, so let's break it down, which one is for you. So first up, Python. Imagine a language so simple it reads like English. That's Python. It's a Swiss army knife of coding. If you want to build AI models, automate boring tasks, or dive into data science, Python is your guy. Plus, it's a massive libraries like TensorFlow and Pandas. Oh, and did I mention 48% of developers use Python? It's almost everywhere. Okay, and if you want to see Python's real world application, it is basically everywhere in data science, machine learning, and web backend. And now if there is also a new field, artificial intelligence, which is currently booming a lot and will continue in the future. So now let's go towards JavaScript. Okay, so now meet the JavaScript. If you have ever used Netflix, Facebook, or Google Maps, you have seen JavaScript in action. It's the king of the web. Okay, powering both front end and back end. Okay, but fair warning, async programming can feel like herding cats. Still, 95% of websites use JavaScript, so if you love the web, this is your jam. And means it is basically a web language. Where we create a website, there are different languages, like the basic language is HTML, then we go for CSS. Then if you want to create some kind of logic or anything back end front end, there where the JavaScript goes, and it still has a lot of potential currently in a web field. So now let's see the modern applications of JavaScript. It is basically all everywhere in the web side, in front end, back end, or in mobile apps. Now let's see, let's compare Python and JavaScript side by side. Okay, see, Python is like coding with training wheels, but if we compare JavaScript, it might be a bit difficult at starting. Okay, JavaScript syntax are a little bit confusing. It is basically like C language. Okay, it is not that simple as Python. As Python syntax is also really easy, and it is basically like almost like typing English language. Okay, so now if we consider the job markets, okay, if we consider the job market for Python, AI jobs are booming. I think about 120k plus salaries are currently there. Okay, and if we compare JavaScript, web dev roles always hiring. Startups love JavaScript. Okay, so and if we compare the future trends, Python, I don't think it will ever vanish because AI isn't showing down. Python's here to stay, man. And JavaScript also might not go, because there are various fields, like if we say metaverse, web3, and there is the JavaScript leading the charge. So who wins? See, if you want to choose Python, then you are into AI, data science, or just want to simple start. You love the idea of automating your life with 5 lines of code, right? And if you want to choose JavaScript, your dream of building apps, websites, or startups, you are okay with steeper learning curve, for web dominance. Personal story time, I started with Python, but JavaScript is the thing which can give you a bit opportunities ahead. Okay, and now at last I have a cheat sheet for all of you for Python versus JavaScript. If you want the free cheat sheet comparing Python and JavaScript, here's how to get it. Like this video, subscribe to Codecraft, comment Python or JavaScript below. Tell me your pick. Okay, the link is in the description. So in the next week I will show you how to build an AI app in Python, as we are going to start a series for Python language. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Whether you pick up Python, JavaScript or both, keep coding, keep creating, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe. We are just getting started. See you soon in the next one.